Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's the Color Series Tablescapes, and this is being hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. So now the color theme for this month is Tiffany Blue. Now her co-host for the month is At Home with Mary J and Glamour Ellen. So I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So as you can see, I started decorating my table outside in my enclosed porch. So I'm going to leave you to some music while I continue decorating the table, and I will see you at the end. Okay, we are done. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Marilyn from Cozy Lifestyle and Glamour Ellen and At Home with Mary J for hosting this collaboration. So let's take a look at the table. So along the back, I have a centerpiece vase that I DIY'd with items that I thrifted from the Salvation Army. Then the florals came from the Dollar Tree. The two little floral bouquets on either side, those I DIY'd, and the florals also came from the Dollar Tree. The cylinder vases were thrifted from the Salvation Army, and the candles came from the Dollar Tree. The runner came from Hobby Lobby in gold. Now the tablecloth was thrifted from the Salvation Army. And if we move on over to the chargers, those I got from the Dollar Tree along with the clear dishes. The Tiffany blue dishes, they came from the Salvation Army. The utensils in the sleeve were from the Dollar Tree. The wine glasses, they came from the Dollar Tree. The water glasses were thrifted from the Goodwill. And so putting together this budget-friendly Tiffany blue tablescape that looks absolutely gorgeous was definitely budget-friendly, and I think it came out gorgeous. Now the cloth napkin, that was a thrifted item. And what I did was place some florals inside of that napkin holder. And I think that came out beautiful. Now, what I did want to say is the gold runner in the center, I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. So let's take a closer look at these items. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.